With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, example is the statement first, the sine and cosine curves intersects infinitely many times bounded region of equal areas. And statement second is the area of figure bounded curve y is equal to cos x, y is equal to sin x, and the ordinate x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 4 is root 2 minus 1 square in it. Which of the above correct? And now for both these statements, we first find out the bounded areas. Then we conclude our conclusion. Then we find our conclusion, which is what coming. Here, first we draw the diagram. See. X-axis and y-axis curves. How they going? And it is from 1. Always sine and cos is between 1 and minus 1. Now 1 look like. Then the region is green. Now see here. Here is point 0. Now this is point of intersection is pi by 4 and this is 5 pi by 4. First we find for the x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 4. What is the area? Since sin x and cos x intersects, means y is equal to sin x minus cos x. Now area is equal to integration 0 to 4 sin x minus 0 to pi by 4 sin x minus cos x dx. What is the integration of that? Sin x integration minus cos x, or this is minus sin x, means minus is going by outside, then cos x plus sin x 0 to pi by 4, 0 to pi by 4 equal to minus mod of cos pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is 1 plus 0. Then what is remaining? Mod minus 2 by root 2 minus 1 means is equal to, in mod it is come it is 2 by root 2, means 2 is converted into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancel, means root 2 minus 1. How to write it? Mod of minus root 2 minus 1 means is equal to root 2 minus 1. Area is root 2 minus 1. For the next region, we find now for x is equal to pi by 4 and x is equal to 5 pi by 4. Area is equal to area is equal to pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. This sin x cos x minus sin x dx is equal to sin x minus plus cos x pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 means sin 5 pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 minus sin 5 pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 is what is equal to minus 1 by root 2 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 means 4 times root 2 is equal to what? 2 times root 2. Now from these two regions or from these two areas, what we say, the sine and cosines are intersect infinitely many times, but bounded regions are not in equal areas. Not in equal areas means here what we say, the statement 1 is wrong, and about statement second is answer root 2 minus 1 means here what we say, the only second statement is correct, only second statement is correct and first statement is wrong, means our answer is, what is our answer? Only second statement is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.